The Beauty Set from Beautederm creates beautiful skin by thoroughly cleansing, protecting and nourishing, and by destroying the bacteria that causes unsightly blemishes on the skin. By pampering your skin, you can reveal your own fresh, youthful glow and avoid premature aging. Beautederm. Ageless beauty starts here. Beauteshine soap has exfoliating properties that don't just clean dirt and pollutants from your skin, but also removes dead skin cells that block the pores of your skin, enlarging those pores and inducing pimples and acne. Beauteshine soap is made from orange and papaya extracts and has been infused with vitamins A, C and E. If you need a quick pick-me-up for your skin, you need Beautederm's Day and Night Toner. The Day and Night Toner doesn't only remove dirt and grime from your skin, it also balances your skin's natural pH level so moisturisers and serums are more easily absorbed and better utilised. The Day and Night Toner also induces a micro-peeling effect that reveals fresh skin and reduces dark spots on the skin, including melasma. You'll feel the difference immediately on applying our Day and Night Toner, but the effects compound over days and weeks to allow your own youthful glow to be revealed. The sun's harmful UVA and UVB rays inflict a terrible toll on your skin. The day cream doesn't only protect your skin from these damaging rays, it also moisturises. Apply the day cream in the morning, after cleansing, and after applying the Day and Night Toner. You can also take the day cream with you during the day and apply it as necessary. After returning home at night, take some time to pamper yourself and share some self-love. It's important to use the Beauteshine soap again to cleanse the skin and to apply your Day and Night Toner to remove any of the toxins and pollutants that have built up during the day. The Day and Night Toner also rids your skin of any excess oils that naturally build up and contribute to blocked pores, pimples and acne. If you want to get rid of pimples and acne and the scars that remain after the outbreak has gone, you need to build a relationship with our Night Cream 1. Night Cream 1 aids in skin regeneration and helps diminish dark marks on the skin, including acne scars and melasma. It has a whitening agent that is initiated by a micro-peeling process, so please do use lightly. In the case of Night Cream 1, less is definitely best, and it's all that you need. Night Cream 2 is a gel form moisturiser that is light and non-greasy. It moisturises, renews and repairs ageing skin and is excellent for any skin type, including mature, damaged or sensitive skin. At the end of a hard day, it's such a delight to apply because it's cool and soothing and it reminds us to protect ourselves from the harsh elements. If you want younger looking skin, then Night Cream 3 is the ideal way to finish off your daily skincare routine. Night Cream 3 slows down your skin's aging process and reduces the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. It locks in moisture while you sleep and repairs and renews damaged cells. Night Cream 3 will wake you up to skin that feels smooth and silky. And that's the best way to start every day. You can visit our website at www.beauteshinebybeautederm.com.au or contact us on Facebook, Beauteshine by Beautederm Australia.